The Nikon Z8 camera is designed for creators who demand uncompromising performances in a compact professional body. It brings flagship level power into a lightweight camera built for both photography and video. At its core is stacked full-frame sensor that deliver exceptional photo quality with incredible detail, accurate colors, and a wide dynamic range. Images stay clean and sharp even in low light, with natural skin tones and impressive depth. For video, the Z8 is built to impress. It records in 4K and 8K with high frame rates for smooth motion and cinematic slow motion, as well as Full HD 1080p for flexible workflows. The image quality is rich, detailed, and highly adaptable in post production. With no mechanical shutter shooting, it's complete design and extremely reliable, eliminating vibration and wear. The advanced autofocus system tracks subject with precisions from fast-moving actions to fine details. The Z8 uses CF Express Type B cards, ensuring ultra-fast read and write speeds for high-resolution photos and video recording. Built for demanding environments, it combines speed, durability, and creative freedom in one powerful system. The Nikon Z8 isn't just a camera, it's a professional tool designed to deliver outstanding photo and video quality every single time.